Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today we are taking a look at this awesome Jayco Eagle 320 FB OK. So this is an awesome travel trailer that's made for full timing. It truthfully is a fifth wheel designed like a travel trailer. Right up here we have a power tongue jack, nice fiberglass front cap with a windshield, just like the fifth wheel. And there's even a cutout right here in case somebody wants to bring a generator with them. This is gonna have all the fifth wheel qualities and amenities. And the reason why somebody would want this, look at this storage. The reason why somebody would want this travel trailer in place of a fifth wheel is so that you can still get that fifth wheel quality, that full timing, but by keeping the bed of your truck open. Coming on down the side here, we do have these awesome step above steps. Does have the 4-season climate shield, and Jayco does warranty it for full timing. 2-year warranty, 3-year structural, and look at that awesome outside kitchen. This is just something that you don't get on a traditional travel trailer, especially a travel trailer that is made for couples. Let's take a look at the inside. Inside, we're actually gonna start in the front bedroom here. Look at this. Front bedroom slide out like a fifth wheel. Huge bed, huge bedroom. You have tons of storage all the way around. Look at this awesome windshield. And you have a seat right here, which is so nice. It makes it easy to get dressed in the morning, put your socks and shoes on. You got wardrobe space right there, and a TV can go right there. And the space in here is absolutely fantastic. Now, I did say this was like a fifth wheel. Look at my partner who's 6'3".
Plenty of head height.
Tons of head height. Unreal in a travel trailer. Over here, we do have storage right here. Tons of pantry space and storage space in this kitchen. Furrion everything. Whisper quiet air conditioning units, and you have an awesome U-shaped dinette. Right over here, we do have the sofa, which is directly across from the TV entertainment center, Furrion everything, Insignia TV. But then back here, we actually have a walk-in closet, which is prepped for a washer and dryer, a very nice toilet, and then look at this huge shower. Even though it's a radius shower, it's one of the biggest radius showers in the entire RV industry. This is just an excellent unit. Again, it's a travel trailer that has fifth wheel qualities and amenities. Well guys, thanks so much for checking out this quick 2-minute tour. If you guys want to see the full review, make sure you check out our YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews Towables. Or if you know that this is the RV that you want to purchase, fill out the contact form down below and somebody from our team will reach out to you guys. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you next time.